afternoon. So, kauwi ko lang from work and I decided na mag-video ako because may pamangkin, shout out to Love Love, may pamangkin kasi matagal niya talagang sinabi sa akin, Tita, magawa ka ng what's inside your work bag. So, ngayon is gagawin ko na, talagang matagal na talaga niya ito nire-request. So, ang gagawin natin guys is what's inside my work bag mga ka-Indays. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga ka-Indays kung ano yung mga lawas inside my work bag. So, it's not so big. Okay lang siya mga ka-Indays. Talagang normal lang yung kalaki niya. So, before is I'm using my long chump bag. So, I'm gonna show you. So, this one mga ka-Indays. Ayan, long chump bag. So, it's not so big. It's just a medium size mga ka-Indays. But, I like this much because it's also very good quality. But, I just only don't like this because you have only one compartment mga ka-Indays. I mean, two for your, I think here is for your small compartment. So, oh, I have my earrings here. Look at mga ka-Indays, nakita ko pa. Oh, I have my earrings here. Oh my God. So, ngayon is, nag-decide ako na I have to use another bag. So, itong Dune London or Dune London. I don't know if I pronounce it good. Ayan mga ka-Indays. So, let's get started mga ka-Indays kung ano yung mga laman ng aking bag. So, actually mga ka-Indays, I love this bag because sa lots of compartments. You see guys, ang daming compartments niya. So, nagustuhan ko, I like this kind of a bag guys na may mga compartments sa labas. So, the first compartment, dito muna tayo mga ka-Indays, sa first compartment niya, kung anong yung laman, is may key card. Ayan. So, and then the next one is my hand gel, of course. It's very important also. Hand gel, key card, I mean. And then, ito yung ano ko guys, yung susi ko sa bahay. Lahat ng mga susi. Keys of the house, mga ka-Indays, ang dami. So, ayan. So, I bought this one in Thailand, guys. I like this so much. Almost 2 years for me, but still in a good quality, guys. You see? Ayan. So, I always have like this, mga ka-Indays. So, ganyan siya. Diba? So, your keys are very, ang tawag nito, naka-hipos. And then, another is hand gel. Dalawa yung hand gel ko, mga ka-Indays. Ayan. Kasi reserve yan in case of emergency. In case of emergency talaga. And then, ano pa dito is, oh, I have my efficacent guys. Ayan. Ayan. Kapag tumanda na yung lola, may mga efficacent talaga. Kasi pag, if you feel bad or just like na-dizzy ka, you just a smell of this, then you're getting better. Right? So, shout out dyan or comment down below if you have also this in your bag. Ayan. And then what's the next is our next compartment sa labas guys, outside this one. I have also a compartment, small compartment here is if you see. Ayan. May small compartment din dyan. So I have my ties. Hair ties guys. Kasi I do like this para hindi siya, anong tawag nito? Maghiwalay. Yes, they will not be separate. So, I do like this. Ayan, ties, the hair. And then, what's more, guys? Candies. So, I have candies. So, when I'm driving, guys, and then, I had a traffic, so I can have some candies for me to stay me awake. Right? O, diba? English ang lola. O, diba? Ayan, candies yan. So, meron akong, copy ko dito. O, diba? Talagang Philippine candy. O, diba? Ayan. So, may candy tayo dito. So, it's already, look at guys, empty. Then, this one also is empty. So, both sides, guys, it has a compartment. So, we will gonna have to do now here in the middle, guys, yung may zipper. This one, yung may zipper. Yes. So, what's inside here is, wala. I have here a small pouch. Pouch from Kipling. So, what's inside, guys, is yung mga, alam niyo na, guys, mga sandwiches. Women's sandwiches. O, diba? Yan. So, hindi natin alam. We will never know. End of the day, one of these days, magkakaroon tayo ng grandma. So, I have here my pouch for my napkins. Yes. And also, I have here my wallet, guys. Card holder. So, actually, mga ka-Indays, I have here two. Ayan, this is from Coach, mga ka-Indays. I don't like so much long wallet. Gusto ko talaga itong mga ganito lang na wallet, guys. So, actually, mga ka-Indays, I just only use this one if I'm during weekend, guys. O kaya my bags are not so big, so I'm using this card holder. This card holder is from, I don't know. Yeah, this one, the long chump, guys. Long chump. This, I like this so much because it's so very, very good quality, mga ka-Indays. So I have here my Coach, my card holders, and then my Coach wallet, mga ka-Inday. So, kasi I don't have time to put it back in this wallet. So, kaya dinala ko is dalawa. Diba? Ayan. And then, the next one is, I have here my mask, mga ka-Indays. So, importante, I always have a mask in my work bag. So, but actually, guys, at my work, we always have to use a mask, mga ka-Indays. But, we get it free sa trabaho ko, mga ka-Indays, yung mask. And then I have here another pouch, mga ka-Indays, is from Puerto Princesa, Palawan. We went there, I think it's a long time ago, 6 years ago already, guys. And titingnan natin what's inside in this small packet. So I have here, guys, of course, I always having my rosary, mga ka-Indays. Tingnan nyo, guys, I have a lots of rosary. And I don't know the other one is, look at, mga ka-Indays. Ayan. It's a necklace with a cross. And then it's my rosary also, guys. Hindi ako pwede, wala akong rosary sa bag, mga ka-Indays. My life is very, very empty without a rosary. I always have a rosary sa mga bags ko, mga ka-Indays. So, if I have to change another bag, so I just only have to take this. Yes, and also another rosary, mga ka-Indays, inside here. So this small packet, this small wallet, pouch is, I have my rosaries, mga ka-Indays. Ayan. So, that is my part of my life, mga ka-Indays, a rosary. Another is, look at, guys, a small, ayan, it's a small wallet. It's a coin wallet for me, guys. A coin wallet. So, ayan, o, diba, walang laman. Coin wallet. So, ayan. So, small one. It's also from Kipling, mga ka-Indays. And the next one is, I have here my, like for the passport holder, but what I have here, guys, is, of course, I have my Santo Niño, and of course, my, John Paul II, guys. And what's inside in here is the green card of my car, guys, mga ka-Indays. So, kailangan talaga na dadalhin ito, mga ka-Indays. Kasi, if there's something, inspection or about your car, so you have this paper, mga ka-Indays, na ipakita. So, this is always in my bag also. Even though I have to use some other bag, if I'm gonna have to use my car, I don't really have to forget this. I don't really have to forget to bring this, mga ka-Indays. Is this from CB? The brand is CB. It's also a very good quality, mga ka-Indays. Ayan. So, this is also, mga ka-Indays. It's a small bag, but I have a lot inside. And of course, mga ka-Indays, I have here my IKEA Ziploc, mga ka-Indays. Kutsara. Oh, you see? I have my kutsara. I have my kutsara, mga ka-Indays, because sometimes if I take a very late lunch break mga ka-Inday. So we don't have utensils in our canteen. So I always have this in my bag mga ka-Inday. Kutsara. O, diba? Nakaganyan yan siya always sa aking bag mga ka-Inday. Kasi otherwise magkakamay tayo doon mga ka-Inday if I don't have that. So I have my kutsara. So, ganito mga ka-Inday sa bag. So, this is already empty mga ka-Inday. Empty. Ayan. So, another compartment guys. We're gonna have to look here in this compartment. So, of course, I have my badge. Okay, my ID. Ayan. For my work. Kasi, if you have to enter guys, so you always have to use this badge or ID. Ayan. And also here is my key of my locker. Ayan. So, this is very important. And another one thing more mga ka-Inday, of course, is umbrella. Hindi talaga ako mawala ng umbrella mga ka-Inday. Summer and rainy days. Summer season and rainy season guys. Nandito talaga ito sa bag ko. Hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know. Because here in the Netherlands guys, you don't know what is the weather. Even though summer guys, kung minsan uulan talaga dito. So this one is always in my bag. Talaga dito sa bag ko itong umbrella mga ka-Inday. O diba? Itong umbrella ko nandito talaga. Present yan always sa bag ko. And the other thing guys is we have here my tissue. Tissue is very important guys. Ayan. Kasi kung may mga punas-punas, we never know. So kailangan natin ng tissue. So, another compartment, guys, here is already empty. Here is, we have here pa pala. My oil control sheet. Ayan. Kasi alam nyo na mga ka-Inday kung minsan mag-oil control tayo. So, from clean and clear, guys. So, nabili ko pa ito in the Philippines. And then, we have more here mga ka-Inday. Empty. Also empty. Another packet is in this packet guys na yung may zipper. So what I have here is also my another small pouch. Is this for my headsets and my cable mga ka-Inday. I have here my look at mga ka-Inday. I have here headset. Ayan. So talagang talaga yan mga ka-Inday, headset and also a cable for my cellphone mga ka-Inday. So if my telephone will be empty mga ka-Inday, low battery telephone mga ka-Inday, and I need it badly, especially mga ka-Inday, and driving house to work mga ka-Inday. So sometimes there is a traffic and I should have to use some other route or ibang daan, and then my car is empty. My car is empty. My telephone is empty. So I really need this mga ka-Inday para sa GPS mga ka-Inday. So I always have this one in my bag. Ayan. O diba? Ang RT in my bag. So nakaano talaga yan siya mga ka-Inday. Always here talaga yan sa aking work bag mga ka-Inday. Ayan. Ayan, at saka yung headset kasi sometimes kailangan natin ng headset. So, I always have this one. So, talagang nakaano talaga yan siya. Naka-pouch talaga yan siya. And, I think I show you everything mga ka-Inday. Ayan, saka papel din. Ayan, telephone number ng aking kolega. Sulat dyan. So, this one is all empty mga ka-Inday. So, yun ang mga ka-Inday, I don't really have makeup on my makeup pouch on my work bag because hindi ako nagre-retouch mga ka-Inday actually. Hindi ako nagre-retouch. And I don't have also lipstick, I don't have perfumes, I don't have chichiburichi and etc. guys in my bag kasi never ako nagre-retouch mga ka-Inday. I only have a lipstick guys in the morning until the end of my work hours. So, no retouching talaga mga ka-Inday. Sa aking work bag is no makeup actually. Walang lipstick even though wala talaga yan. So, empty ang ating work bag mga ka-Inday. So, I hope yung pamangkin ko talaga she will really have to look this video because this is her request video mga ka-Indays, what's inside my work. I like this bag because not so big, not so small, so you can carry like this mga ka-Indays. O diba, pang madam, pang ano talaga, pang tiny woman like me. O diba, ayan. So ganito lang yan siya mga ka-Indays. A very small bag mga ka-Indays. So, ayan. Very small, and I love also the color mga ka-Indays ng aking bag. Ayan. So, gustuhan ko din kasi parang may mga pa-arty-arty din siya dito. May the gold, anong tawag nito? Details? Gold details talaga. Yan lang po ang laman ng aking work bag. No makeup at all. No makeup. No lipstick at all. Walang. Mas importante sa akin ito mga ka-Indays, itong pang matatanda na perfume. Yes. So mga ka-Indays, I have to end this vlog, and before that mga ka-Indays, I have to shout out all of my VIP members. Thank you so much all of my VIP. Samantha's Little World, Studio Batch 92, Sunday Junior Vlogs, by Ayan Vlog, 2020 Miss Jane, Jashing Channel, Pinoy OFW Adventure, Melanie's Max, Evelyn Pavilion, Teacher Jen JNV, Beauty Forever 08, Michi Memi, Ginger in Germany, Mayin Dayaw Arsenio, Engineer Willie Vlog, Tad Angie, Harlan's Collection, Marilos Pera, Mommy and Vanity, Mira San Juan, Bemstar ASTV, Evelyn California Garden and Home, Tim Limlitz, My Yellow Bills, My Cherry Amor, Keeping Up with the Velas, Cleofe Garcia, I Pavilion, Joanna J.N. Ronquillo, Maria Fluke, Bethan's Channel, Step Stylist, Matru V and Mami V, and also to J. De La Pedra. So guys, please do connect to them. And thank you so much to all of my VIP members. And also to my supporters, my viewers, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Mega shout out to all of you guys. Sa lahat din ng mga nandito ngayon, also mega shout out. So see you on my next vlog. Have a nice day. Bye!